Dear students, have a very nice day ahead. I'm one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. These days we are discussing a topic from the geography part of your social science. It's human resources. And we are reading and discussing things as per the syllabus given to us by the concerned authorities. And my target are you, the 8th class students of Government Girls High School, Wilgam. In previous lessons, I told you many things about human resources. I hope that you'll be keenly remembering and listening these things. You will be very cautious and conscious for improving your knowledge in social science, and this way you will be easily able to face the forthcoming examinations. Today, in the offline class, I am going to tell you that how much the study of age composition is necessary when we are dealing the population of any area of any country. First of all, what is age composition? Why is age composition important in the study of population? I have already told you that human resources are directly related to the population of any country, of any area. So we have to know various things, different things about the population. When we see age composition is very important in the study of population. We have to know the age of the people making the population of any area, any country. If the children below 14 years age or more, then the increase in population will be more in future. This is very much clear. Migration of people also affects the age composition. If there are more people in the age group of 0 to 14 years and above 65 years, then more people are dependent on the available resources. People above 65 and below 14. This is the dependent group of the population. This way, it is necessary for us when we study the population of any area, of any country, with other related things, we have to know, it is necessary for us that we have to know the age of the people, the children making that population. This way, we come to know that how many people are there, how much percentage of the population is dependent, and what is the rate of increase in the population, and what will be the future for that country, for that area in terms of the population increase, etc. Dear students, I hope that you may have understood that how much important is the composition of age and how much important is the study of age factor of any population. I'm simply trying to keep things in front of you, to share things with you in a simple way, in an easy way, so that you can well understand what I want to, what you need to, by the examination point of view, by the point of view of awareness about the basics of social sciences. We are finishing this topic, but there are some more points that I am going to tell you in the next classes. After that, we'll finish this topic and we will enter into another topic that is included in our syllabus. Till then, I will take a leave from you. Take care of your health, of your career, and the present circumstances. Thanks for keenly listening to me. Once again, I will tell you that try to remember these things, what are being delivered to you from this end for your overall awareness and benefit. Thanks again.